Hello guys and welcome back to my channel Techie. My name is Anas Sheikh and I am going to talk about encryption and how to make a program which encrypts your data. So first of all, let's have some information about encryption. Encryption is a method of securing your data in such a way it is unreadable for hackers. Encryption secures your data means when a hacker get access to your data, it is unreadable for him. He cannot read it and without the key, and it is just useless for him. So let's have a look how it goes. So let's this picture shows a clear view how encryption is been done. So an original data is being encrypted by a key which turns to be a scrambled data which is unreadable by a hacker. This scrambled data with the key is sent to the receiver on the other side, and then the receiver decrypts it with a key. So let's have a look at examples of a data being or sentence being encrypted. With the simple encryption by a key +1, the hello world string turned out to be this. You can see that hello world what can be understood by a hacker, but this creepy thing is not understood by hackers if it does not have the key. You can see some other examples of the text being encrypted with the keys. So now you have the information about some information about encryption. So let's have a look of how to make functions which encrypts and decrypts the data. This is a clear small function which encrypts the data with a key. So over here the function encryption takes the character string over here and the key over here. Then we have make a very integer variable which loops this for loop. In the for loop we have given start with the I is equals to 0 and then until the I is greater than sterling str, which is means the length of the str string. Then it is going to be increment by +1, and while this loop is being looping, this each character of the array of str is going to be added with a key. Means if we add 1 to a, it will be b. So each character of the str is going to be added with key, and at the last when the whole key is, string is being encrypted, it is going to return the string back to the main function of the function where it has been called. So let's have a look at the decryption function. It is almost the same. The difference is that it is going to minus the key, not plus. We have looked at the example of these functions, and now let's see how it works on real projects. I've included this encryption and decryption function, and I've make a simple program which encrypts this simple text and then prints it over here with the key of your choice, custom key, and then it decrypts it and then print it. I've used a simple string. My name is Anas. Subscribe my channel with the key 1. You have already looked at these functions. So when this function is being called with the text and the key is been given, it is going to encrypt the text. So let's have a look at this program. You can see my name is Anas. Subscribe my channel is turned out to be this. I cannot zoom in, so I hope this is clear to you. So this text turned out to be this, and when this text is decrypted, it is turned out to be as it was. Let's have a look at another string. This can be hello world, as I have showed you, with a different key. Let's take key as 3. Then let's decrypt this data string. You can see hello world turns out to be something creepy like this whole hashtags something, and then when we decrypt it, it's turned back to the hello world. This thing with the key is being transmitted in the real world, and on the other hand, the receiver decrypts it like this. So bye, bye for now. I hope it is understandable to you, and just wait for my next videos, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Bye.